Welcome to Tech Brazil with Amir. In this video, we are going to take a look at what is stored procedure and how to create for a serverless SQL pool. A stored procedure is a saved collection of SQL statements that can be executed as a program. Stored procedure can accept parameter, perform queries, and return results. In serverless SQL pool, stored procedure are used mainly for select queries and metadata operations. No insert, update, or delete is supported. You cannot create a stored procedure in a master database. Also, you cannot see the stored procedure from the graphical user interface. So here it is. If you see, I have this tech DB, that's my database, and if you refresh here and further drill right here, you are gonna see external table, external resources, views, schemas, and security. You are not seeing anything under say programmability and then stored procedure and all that we see in the SQL server. Now how to create that? If I will go ahead and right now I'm using a serverless SQL pool as I'm saying built in here. So now the database is selected in master. So let's say if I will try to create this stored procedure in master, I'm going to get an error because the stored procedure is not supported in the master database. That's fine. So we are going to go ahead and create in the TechDB. So now in the TechDB, we can simply create this stored procedure, and the syntax for that is create or alter stored procedure dbo that get customer by ID. So that's the name of stored procedure I have given, and then this is my parameter at the rate customer ID, and that's integer type. Then I will say as, and then I say begin, and that ends with the end. And here you will provide your select query for that table, and here is the criteria on which you want to filter the records. So I said customer ID is equal to customer ID. So if I will provide customer ID here 1, then what's going to happen? This query is going to run where customer ID is equal to 1. So now we can go ahead and execute this script, and it's going to create the store procedure. There is still no change here. If I will go and refresh and try to see like, hey, maybe there is a store procedure tab will appear, that's not going to happen here. Now how you execute, you will say exec, then the name of the store procedure, and then a parameter name. In this case it was at the rate customer ID, and then equal to the value that we are providing. If I will execute, I know that my table is it has a 1 record, that's equal to customer ID 1. So I can change to, let's say if I want to change to 2, I can change to 2, and now it's going to return me the record where customer ID is 2. Now another way to just simply, you don't have to say exec execute, because we are hitting the button run anyways, that means execute. We can simply put the name of a store procedure and just provide the parameter. As it is accepting one parameter, we can simply put the value, and it understands that this is the first parameter value. So we can execute this, and it is going to return us the same value where customer ID is equal to 1 in that table. Now how we check the list of the stored procedure available to us? We can use information schema.routines system view, and that will give us all the stored procedure available to us, where routine type is equal to procedure and the routine name is equal to get customer ID by ID. So I can simply ignore this one. I can get all the, let's say if I just simply go ahead and execute only this part, then I'm gonna get probably some more records here. In case actually I don't have whole lot of records, so I'm just getting this one store procedure name here. So if you want to filter, if you have a lot more store procedures and you want to get some specific store procedure, you can simply use the where clause and then provide the name of the store procedure, and that's where it will filter for specific store procedure. So you can see the schema, the catalog, that's the database, and then you have store procedure, and then it give you other information as well. So here is the definition as well. This is important when you need to see. So sometime you need to copy that and take a look like, hey, what exactly is the definition for my store procedure? You can copy that and see if you need to make changes or something like that. You can take from there. So I will just copy this and maybe put in some other script right there, and then if I need to make some changes, I can make changes, or even just I want to review what exactly is in that store procedure, I can take a look from there. So I thank you very much for watching this video. Please subscribe my channel, and I will see you guys in next video.